Approximately 4 months ago, I was attending a live event where I met incredible 300 beautiful ladies. And I was so happy of this unit. And I have this special ability, I'm able to read energy, see blockages, things like this, possibilities, probabilities, and I'm able to see soul purpose. So I was so happy, I was so connected, so in divine flow. So each of the lady who was coming to me, less than a minute, I could say what is the soul purpose she's living. And I saw so many tears, so many happiness, so many relief, so many understanding. This is my life. I actually got the meaning. Thank you so much. I saw restart. I saw newborns. I saw meaning of life, happiness. And it was incredible. It was, actually, it's really cannot describe with the word. When the person actually understands what is the soul purpose, and living in the soul purpose is a true joy. It's beyond happiness. It's when we so aligned to the center, and everything what we ever wanted, the good stuff coming to us, chasing us. We don't have to do any effort, any stress, any sacrificing, any chasing or pain or stress or worry or living in the head. We're living in the heart. We're really, really enjoying be here, be connected to the heart, connect to the soul, connect to the divine, connect to the unity, connect to the people, to the nature. We really actually understand the meaning why we are here. We experience this happiness. And when we are happy, we are unshakable. We are center. We are creator. So after 2 days of this event, we're supposed to write intention for next 3 months, what we're going to achieve. So I was thinking, what do I want to do for these 3 months? It has to be something special, something like wasn't in my life before. And I was like, okay, my biggest achievement, financial achievement, was that I was able to help one of my clients to achieve 250 million US dollar. So I say, okay, let me write this for me, write this intention, so in 3 months I'm going to achieve that for me. And somehow I didn't feel the celebration, I didn't feel the rainbow, I didn't feel the joy. It was like, yeah, it's beautiful, it's money, I was with money, I was without money. I know the drill, you know, a little bit more, a little bit less. But it was not like, it was not that joy, you know. So I was like, what is that I really want to? What is that I really want to? And then my soul said, I want to live my soul purpose. I said, great, great, tell me more, what is that? What is that? I want to do it. Because I saw this, about 300 people was like instant back to the joy. They start to live their true purpose. Like, what is that for me? And of course, I am example for people how to create abundance. So I teach and I live what I teach. What is the abundance actually? Abundance is to have what we want in a moment when we want to. How to achieve that? It's to be so much alignment to the truth. It's about relationship with the true self, with our honesty, with our desire. It's a relationship between us and divine, between us and our money, between us and our family, between us and our friendship. It's ability to know what we want. It's ability to speak what we want, and it's ability to receive what we want. So basically, abundance is the mastery of alignment. So I was like, yes, that's what I want to do. I want 250 million people bring to abundance. I want to be example. I want to be a teacher. I want to open up this knowledge, this wisdom, this algorithm of abundance, how to achieve it. So this wave of abundance, or wave of alignment, sorry, have 4 projects. One of them, free live event for people, Dubai, London, New York, where I'm gonna teach people how to let go resistance, limitation, ideas of what is possible, how to live happy life and start to create what they truly want to. Second, my project is the book with algorithm of happiness. The book leading reader from stage of disconnection to the Eden, to the unity. Very simple, explain what is the quantum physics, how we connect it, what is the algorithm of creativity, how to get in life whatever we want to, based on happiness. Project number 3 is a TV reality show where I'm gonna do the instant transformation from luck to abundance, from fear to love, from confusion to clarity. Also, I'm gonna teach people how to do it at home. It's not difficult, believe me, when you know the algorithms, it's not difficult. It's just like we have to follow some steps and trust, know what we really want to, allow to speak about that and allow to receive that. So between these steps we have some resistance, some limitations, some limited idea what is possible for us. So with these projects I'm gonna remove these layers of resistance and I will explain you how you can get anything you want to. It doesn't matter what is your age, what is your background, what is your experience, what is your knowledge. If you know this algorithm, you can do it, because you know what? Joy and legacy, prosperity, wealth, abundance, it's our legacy, it's our natural well-being. That's how we create it. That's our norm. Our luxury life. Luxury for me, it's a comfort. So comfort, it's really, really available for everyone who put in the happiness and joy in the first place. Then project number 4, exclusive in Dubai, networking club for only top management, creative, innovator, investor, where we experience 3 key. We not only experience, we master 3 key. First, we are connecting. Not connecting only with unity, we connecting within ourselves, we connecting with our true desire, we connecting with divine, we connecting with the environment, with people, with nature, we connecting. We understand that we are unity. Second key is the alignment to happiness. We're gonna meet 3 times per month, and each event I'm gonna teach how to be aligned to happiness, how to put happiness on the first place, and then create. So the key number 3 is the creativity of ideas, multiplication of resources, multiplication of the opportunities for people who working with us, and how to be effective. Effective, it's each of us have 24 hours per day. Result that we come out of these 24 hours, it depends of what we know, how we using our resources, how we multiply them, how we, for some people, sacrifice, for some people put in effort, for some people go through some darkness and they think, okay, now I was in pain, now I get my money. In our club, we creating easy easy with joy and happiness, with unity, with supportive community, with friendship of the people with the same bright minds, with the great hearts, with the great souls, who understand that our joy and happiness, it have to be priority. The selfishness, it have to be priority. If we want to really be influencer and give something valuable to our people, to our companies, to our environment, to our planet, we have to enjoy our life. So this is club based on happiness. And it's only for top management and people who already understand the power of creativity, who already know the taste of money, who already know taste of responsibilities. Then we come together and we start to multiply what we know. We start to put our true desire, true happiness on the first place. And based on that, we're creating something that not possible compete with. We're not about competition anymore. Our world has 3 ways. And one of the way only we can come to success. This way is the unity. We have to be united, man and woman, soul, spirit and material, divine and people. We have to be unit. All ideas, we can create a really masterpiece when we unite our resources. I know how to align, I have desire to create, you have resources, you have idea, you have knowledge, so all together, based on our soul purpose, based on our happiness and joy, we create something amazing. So, each Friday, 3 times a month, I'm inviting you to join my networking club at Four Seasons DIFC. Click this link for register.